Hello guys, this is Vibhav and you're watching VibsTech, and in today's video I will show you how to use a split screen or multi-window in Windows 10. So this allows you to open multiple windows at the same time and you can be more productive. Like example, if you're researching something on Google and you have to make some notes, so you don't have to switch between windows, you can have both the windows side by side, so it will be easier for you to read and write at the same time. So to open multi-window, what you can do is click on the blank area over here and drag it to the left. And once you see the highlighted area, just leave it and it will remain in the left side. Now you can select the other window which you want on the right side. Now it will be easier for you to read the notes and write the key points on the right side. So in Windows 10 you can have up to 4 windows on the same screen. To open third window, what you need to do is click on the window and do the same process. Click on the blank area over here and drag it to the left corner on the screen until you see the highlighted area and let it go. It will open another window. So by doing this, you will have 3 windows floating around on your screen. And now if you want to open 4th window, I know it is not ideal, but if you have some kind of work which requires you to open 4 windows on the same screen, you can do that in Windows 10. You need to do the same process. Open any tab and click on the blank area and select and drag it to the right corner until you see the highlighted area and let it go. It will open 4 windows on the same screen. So in Windows 10 you have option to open 4 windows at the same time, so you don't have to switch between windows and you can have them side by side, and sometimes it will be easier for you to work with multiple windows. This was the short video to show you how multi-window works in Windows 10. I hope this was helpful. Please don't forget to like this video, also subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.